Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a site with Joomla, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a site with Joomla, first, visit the official Joomla website. Download the latest version of Joomla. Next, choose a suitable web hosting provider that supports PHP and MySQL. Once you have selected a hosting provider, register your domain name if you haven't already. Now, access your hosting control panel. Use the file manager or an FTP client to upload the Joomla installation files to your server. After the upload is complete, create a new MySQL database and user in your hosting control panel. Make note of the database name, username, and password for later use. Return to your web browser and navigate to your domain where you uploaded Joomla. You will see the Joomla installation page. Select your language and click Next to proceed. Read the license agreement and click Next to continue. In the next step, enter your database details from earlier. Fill in the database host, typically localhost, and the created database user details. Once complete, click Next to test the database setup. If successful, move on to the configuration step. Now, fill in your site name, description, admin email, username, and password. Remember to jot down your admin credentials for future use. Choose whether to install sample data to help you get started. Click Next to review your installation settings. If everything looks good, click Install. Once the installation is complete, you will see a success message. Take a moment to remove the installation folder as prompted for security purposes. Now, you can access your Joomla admin panel by navigating to yourdomain.com/administrator. Log in with the admin credentials you just created. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your Joomla site. From here, explore the Joomla dashboard to customize your site with templates and extensions. Start creating your content and enjoy building with Joomla. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.